In this video, I will show you how to use the scope and sequence documents and what resources are available within each document. I will show you an example of a Curriculum 2.0 course as well as an illustrative math course. Let's start with the Curriculum 2.0 course. First, click the marking period you're interested in reviewing. I'll choose marking period 2. In the left column, you'll find the dates for the instructional week, and any additional considerations such as holidays, non-instructional days, and more. In the middle column, you'll find a brief sentence about the sample learning tasks for the week. You might also notice additional notes such as assessment options or other resources for flex days. In the right column, you'll find a list of the standards covered each week. Now, let's review the additional resources at the bottom of the scope and sequence documents. First, you'll find the instructional focus for each unit covered in the marking period. You will also find section planning guides with details about each sample learning task. Last, you'll find the curriculum resources. This could include the Google folders related to the course, projects and assessments, and more information about unfinished learning or omitted standards and lessons from the 2021 school year. Now, let's review an illustrative math course. In most cases, the scope and sequence document is very similar to the Curriculum 2.0 guide. For instance, both documents include calendar info in the left column and standards in the right column. The differences include the middle column and the resources located at the bottom of the document. The middle column includes the lessons and teacher-facing objectives for the week. The resources include student-facing learning targets, adaptation packs, section planning guides, and guidance to review prior to teaching the unit. Here, you will also find assessments available for each unit and access to the unfinished learning from the previous school year. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment or email the secondary math team for more guidance and information on the documents shared.